Did you know that there are around 10,000 different species of bird worldwide? About 100 bird species are predicted to become extinct according to a new global analysis. Hopefully, this video will raise awareness about the birds. Many species of birds are economically important as food for human consumption and raw material in manufacturing. For undomesticated birds, they are important sources of eggs, meat, and feather.
The most critical threat facing threatened birds is the destruction and fragmentation of habitat. The loss of tropical rainforest, which encompassed between 59% to 70% of Malaysia's total land area, is the most pressing problem, as these forests hold the highest number of species yet and being destroyed quickly. So we need to take an action in order to preserve the birds and the forest.
Humans have exploited birds for a very long time, and sometimes this exploitation has resulted in extinction. Overhunting reduced a species that once numbered in the billions to extinction. Hunting pressure can be for food, sport, feathers, or even come from scientists collecting museum specimens. Although there are few rules regarding the illegal of hunting, but there are still hunters that neglect this rule. Birds are a group of endothermic vertebrates constituting the class Aves, characterized by feathers, toothless beaked jaws, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton.
Pollution has led to serious decline in some species. Increasingly, large volumes of plastic waste are being transported by wind and ocean currents throughout the planet, and mistakenly ingestion by many species, including birds. Birds such as seabirds are vulnerable to oil spill and other trash, causing them to drown or die because of hypothermia. So, I suggest to all of you, please do not pollute the environment because it may deteriorate other living things also other than birds. So, if you love our nature and our bird, please do not pollute. Hello guys, here are some fun facts about chicken. Firstly, there are actually more population of chicken around the world compared to human. Secondly, chicken can only taste saltiness but not sweetness. Thirdly, on average, 97 chickens are killed every 0.05 second worldwide for various purposes, especially for food.
The next awareness is birds are also threatened by the high-rise building, communication tower, and other human-related activities and structure. The largest source of the human-related bird death is due to glass window, which kill 100 until 900 million birds a year. This phenomenon is called a tower kill and is responsible for 5 until 50 million birds death a year. Maybe we should stop the skyscraper tower for the sake to attract the people, but it also attracts the bird, which means that it kills the bird.
A little fact about duck. Firstly, duck can be found worldwide on every continent except Antarctica. Second, male ducks are called drake, female are hen or duck, and the baby ducks are called duckling. And the third one is, did you know that ducks' feet has no nerve or blood vessel so that their feet don't feel the cold?
you guys will enjoy this video and raise awareness about the birds. Thank you.
Resahku hilang, satu semesta menungguku maju. Posisi berani segala posisi yang ku cari.
May deteriorate other living things. Even it may
The birds.
Okay.